Are you filming?
Yeah.
This is exciting.
I know, isn't this a good day? What is your name and where were you born?
My name is Devin Sheehan, and I'm from Binghamton, New York, which is upstate New York, and it's extremely cold. I went to school at the University of Rhode Island, worked every summer in Newport, fell in love with Newport, never moved out.
Who's someone important in your life?
I would say that somebody important in my life is my parents. They've always been there for me. They've always pushed me to work hard, go to the next level, and always supported everything I did. So they were always there for me and were always cheering me on. And I think that having that support system gives me the drive and passion to kind of keep moving forward and be successful.
How long have you been in real estate?
So this is going to be my 4th year in real estate. Thus far, my latest career highlight is was at the RE/MAX Awards, getting into the 100% Club, which is $100,000 in commissions, which is a lot of money to get to. So it's exciting to hit it this early in my career.
Describe yourself in 3 words.
Hardworking, energetic, funny.
Oh, you think you're funny?
I'm so funny.
Why work with you?
I think experience, knowledge of the market, the ability to communicate throughout all hours of the day and night, passionate about getting the best deal for my buyers, and passionate about getting the highest price for my sellers.
What's your best kept secret in Newport or in Rhode Island?
I would say the Chandler on Cliff Walk. I think it's a great place. Not a lot of people know about it locally, or they know about it locally, but not a lot of locals go there. So it's kind of like you're sitting in your own living room while having dinner, which I like, and it's the beautiful views that you have there. So I would say the Chandler.
Cool. Number 1 tip, first time home buyer.
I would say the number 1 tip is talk to a lender first. That is your first step, because you're going to find something that you fall in love with and you might not even be able to afford that piece of real estate.
Number 1 tip for a seller.
Price your home correctly. I think when you start off saying, I hope I can get this, it really affects your bottom line price, whereas if you go in at a good price right off the bat, you're going to get multiple offers and you're going to sell it and not be as frustrated.
One thing that not enough people know about you.
I would say that I'm very involved in my church. A lot of people might not know a lot about that. I go to Legacy Church in East Greenwich. See you there on Sunday.
If you could be a professional at any sport, what would it be?
It would be golf, hands down, because it's a sport that you can play for a long time, whereas other sports, your careers are not that long.
Crushed it.